I could find but yet a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. This time I was okay, I heard that funny cry once more. Just can't believe it.
How do you do?
A funny looking bird and he stood right before my eyes. With his waist shoot and a laser gun, he was only passing by. I was looking